Hello humans, welcome to another tips and tricks. This one's all about speech balloons or speech bubbles. So the main one is just a oval shape here with a curved tail on it like that. And you know, these things can be any shape or size, depending your frame or your scene, how you want it portrayed. Can be a perfect circle with a straight tail on it. I'm just gonna quickly rough in Space Pirate. But let's do, what is he thinking inside of his head? So you draw it like this. A cloud shape with open, I guess, circles pointing to his brain. And, you know, no one else in the scene can see this really. So it's like he could be saying, I love kittens, but he doesn't want anyone else to know. If your character's whispering, you can do one of two ways. Draw a large regular speech balloon, and then you have really small lettering. So it's like, I have a secret. Like that. Or you can do a dashed line like this. And that, it should probably be a little bit neater than that. But same thing, you can then have that be a whispering speech balloon. Say your character is really yelling loud. You can have a speech balloon with big spikes coming out and then pointing at your character's mouth. And he's just like, you know, I'll do another video about this, but get your lettering really big to match the yelling speech balloon. So let's say your character's talking a lot. You can do it this way, where you've got two speech balloons connected. Or if there's like a pause in the conversation, or you want to put emphasis on this last bit, that's another way of doing it, is connecting it through that way. Characters, your characters, this guy's a blob guy, and he's really tired. He's just like, so your whole speech balloon is wobbly and wavy. You know, it's, I don't feel good. And that can really, emphasize the feeling that your character has. And you can put little lines here to put weight on it. You can add little bumps around it. That kind of helps as well. So that could be like your character's tired, doesn't feel good, that sort of thing, the wobbly shape to it. Let's say you've got a story and there's a robot or a computer talking. This is how I do it. You can do a square with some jagged lines in it. And then the tail is like a little lightning bolt. So let's say your computer screen there. But then you can also marry that with digital squared off lettering as well. Alarm, like that. And that they can really go well together. So let me know what you think. I'm going to do another one about lettering, comic lettering next, but I thought you'd like to see just the various ones, and let me know if I feel like I missed one. Let me know if I did, or any suggestions in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.